Molynes road hostage crisis ends with surrender of gunmen to the police.
JSF is a professional body. I'm going to ask you to put your hands on top of your head and step out slowly.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There were dramatic scenes at the corner of Seaward Drive and Molynes Road in St. Andrew on Monday night during a lengthy standoff between police and gunmen at a lottery outlet. According to police report, shortly after 8 p.m., the gunmen were attempting to rob the establishment when an alarm was raised. The gunmen were trapped inside by a police team which was quick on the scene. For several hours, the drama unfolded as the two gunmen held persons hostage inside the establishment. A heavy detachment of police was deployed to the location.
My truck fully bulletproof.
All camera out. Come from when I do.
No man, I'm not bulletproof. Come for which front? I'm mad. I'm good here, someone.
The negotiation was led by Senior Superintendent Maurice Robinson, acting head of the Area 4 Police Division. He also coordinated the Jamaica Constabulary Forces resources. The Special Weapons and Tactical Team was also called in.
Cash spot, please. This is Senior Superintendent Robinson, Area 4. You notice I said Senior Superintendent, the rank. So I'm asking you to just consider that by this time we have a lot of policemen outside here. But remember that the Jamaica Constabulary Force is a professional organization. It is said that you committed yourself, but I'm going to ask you to step outside. I will guarantee that you will be able to speak to an attorney to properly defend yourself when it comes to the courts. As long as I'm here, you have nothing to fear. The JSF is a professional body. I'm going to ask you to put your hands on top of your head and step out slowly. Put your hands on top of your head and step out slowly. The longer you wait, the more police persons are going to arrive and it will be very difficult. So I'm going to ask you.
A large crowd gathered beyond the police barriers, and the cops waited patiently for the gunmen to exit the premises. Shortly before midnight, they emerged from the building and were immediately taken into custody. It is unclear how many hostages were held by the gunmen.
Move, yeah. Okay. A bullet go fire now. Gunshot go rings. That across the side I'm living now. Some come bad with you now. Wait to get bad up. Bad up where again, man? You know. That crowd at Jeff family. Who?
Anyone in that crowd related to Jeff?
Jeff.
The police have also reported that a third man has been taken into custody in connection with the hostage situation. Additionally, the police say a .38 revolver containing 6 rounds of ammunition, which they say was in the attempted robbery hostage holdup, was seized this morning. The police say the seizure was made approximately 10:50 on Tuesday morning, following a search of the building by members of the Caribbean Search Center and cops assigned to the St. Andrew Central Police Division. Additionally, the police say the gun was found behind a toilet inside a bathroom.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.